addition and subtraction of fractions. For the addition and subtraction of fractions, you have to follow these steps. First, convert the mixed fraction, if any, into improper fraction. If there is a mixed fraction, then first you have to convert it into improper fraction. Second, make the denominator same if they are not. If the denominator are different, then you have to make the denominator same. Then add or subtract the numerator and put the answer over the denominator. If there is an addition, then add the numerator. If there is a subtraction, then subtract the numerator and put the answer over the denominator. Then simplify the fractions if needed. Let's take one example. Here 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 7. Let's check it. Here the denominator are different. So first we have to make the denominator same. For that you have to find out the LCM of denominator, means 5 and 7. So the LCM of 5 and 7 is equal to 35. Now first take this 3 upon 5. We need here it's a 35. So for that we have to multiply numerator and denominator with the 7. So 3 7s are 21, 5 7s are 35. Now let's take 2 upon 7. So multiply numerator and denominator with the 5. So 2 5s are 10, 7 5s are 35. Now let's check it. Both the denominator are same. Now add both the numerator. Then 21 plus 10 upon 35 is equal to 31 upon 35. Now let's take another example for the subtraction. 8 1 upon 2 minus 3 5 upon 8. Here it's the mixed fraction. So first we have to convert it into improper fraction. For that we have to multiply denominator with the whole number and then add the numerator into it. Means 8 2s are 16 plus 1 divide 2. Here 8 3s are 24 plus 5 divide 8. 16 plus 1 is equal to 17 upon 2. 24 plus 5 is equal to 29 upon 8. Now let's check, both the denominator are different. So we have to find out the LCM of this. So LCM of 2 and 8 is equal to 8. Now multiply this numerator and denominator with 4 to get the 8. So 17 4s are 68, 2 4s are 8. Here already 8, so no need to multiply. So it's a put as it is 29 upon 8. Now 17 4s are 68 upon 8 minus 29 upon 8. Now subtract this numerator. 68 minus 29 divide 8 is equal to 39 upon 8. Now it is in improper fraction. So we just divide first of all 39 divide 8. 8 4s are 32. So remainder is 7. So you can put just like this 4 7 upon 8. That is the mixed fraction. Arrange the following in descending order. The number is given 2 upon 9, 2 upon 3, 8 upon 21. Now you have to arrange this number into descending order. To arrange the number in descending order, first we have to make all the denominator same. To make all the denominators same, we have to find out the LCM of these three denominators. Now the LCM of 9, 3 and 21 is equal to, here 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are 3, 1 as it is, 7 as it is, 7, 1 as it is, 1 as it is, 7 1s are 7. So the LCM is equal to 3 multiply 7, 3 3s are 9, 7s are 63. Therefore, the LCM of 9, 3 and 21 is equal to 63. Now we have to make all the denominator 63. So first take this first one, 2 upon 9. To make the denominator 63, we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator with the 7. So 2 7s are 14, 9 7s are 63. Now take second one, 2 by 3. To make the denominator 63, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator with the number 21. So 2 multiply 21 is equal to 42. 3 multiply 21 is equal to 63. Now take this one, 8 upon 21. To make the denominator 63, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator with number 3. 8 multiply 3 is equal to 24. 21 multiply 3 is equal to 63. Now just check this 3. All the denominators are same. Now we have to arrange this number into descending order. To arrange the number in descending order means we have to arrange the number from largest to the smallest. So among these 3, 42 upon 63 is the largest. After then 24 upon 63 is the largest. And last one 40 upon 63. So now 42 upon 63 means it's a 2 upon 3. 24 upon 63 means 8 upon 21. 14 upon 63 is equal to 2 upon 9. Therefore, 2 by 3 greater than 8 by 21 greater than 2 by 9. That is the descending order. Now let's solve the word problem. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 1 upon 2 cm long and 10 2 upon 3 cm wide. Find its perimeter. Now first, the sheet of paper is in rectangular form because it is a rectangular sheet of paper and length of sheet is equal to 12 1/2 cm. Breadth of sheet is equal to 10 2 upon 3 cm. Now in this sum we have to find out the perimeter. So the perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into bracket length plus breadth. Length and breadth both are given. So put the value of length and breadth in this formula. So it's a 2 into bracket 12 1 upon 2 plus 10 2 upon 3. Now it is the mixed fraction. So you have to convert it into improper fraction. So 12 2s are 24 plus 1 25 upon 2. Here 10 3s are 30 plus 2 32 upon 3. Now just check it, both the denominators are different. So in the addition, first we have to make the denominator same. To make the denominator same, we have to find out the LCM of 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3 it's a 6. Now to make the denominator 6, we have multiplied both the numerator and denominator with the number 3. So here it's a 25 multiply 3 and 2 multiply 3. Similarly here, to make the denominator 6, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator with the number 2. So it's a 32 multiply 2, 3 multiply 2. 25 3 is a 75, 2 3 is a 6, 32 2 is a 64, 3 2 is a 6. Now check, both the denominator are same. Now we have to add the numerator. So 75 plus 64 upon 6. So it's a 2 into bracket 139 upon 6. Now 2 3 is a 6. So is equal to 139 upon 3. Now just divide this. 139 divide 3. So your answer it's a 46 and remainder it's a 1. So your answer is 46 1 upon 3 cm. That is the parameter of given rectangular sheet of paper. Let's take another example. Sally wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 3 by 5 cm wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 3 by 10 cm wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? Here the width of the picture is given, that is 7 3 by 5 cm, and the width of picture frame is given 7 3 by 10 cm. Now you have to find out how much should the picture be trimmed. First take the width of the picture is equal to 7 3 by 5 cm and the width of picture frame is equal to 7 3 by 10 cm. Now to find out how much should the picture be trimmed, for that we have to do the subtraction. Therefore the picture should be trimmed is equal to 7 3 by 5 minus 7 3 by 10. Here both are in the mixed fraction. So first convert it into improper fraction. 5 7s are 35 plus 3. It's a 38 upon 5. Here 10 7s are 70 plus 3. So 73 upon 10. So 38 upon 5 minus 73 upon 10. Now just look at both the denominator are different. So first to make the denominator same. And to make the denominator same, we have to find out the LCM of 5 and 10. LCM of 5 and 10 is equal to 10. Now first take this 38 upon 5. To make the denominator 10, we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator with number 2. So 38 multiply 2, divide 5 multiply 2. Here the denominator is already 10, so no need to multiply. So take it as it is 73 upon 10. Now 38 2s are 76, 5 2s are 10, 76 divide 10 minus 73 divide 10. Now both the denominator are same. Now just subtract the numerator. 76 minus 73 divide 10. It's a 3 by 10 centimeter. Therefore, the picture should be trimmed by 3 by 10 centimeter.